Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Insignia Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to restore full control over their Insignia Fire TV without the hassle of navigating menus with a faulty or lost original, offering a seamless and intuitive experience that brings back the joy of effortless streaming and channel surfing right to your fingertips. Number 5. Insignia Toshiba Fire Smart TV Voice Remote. This replacement remote offers broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with various smart TV brands like Insignia, Toshiba, TCL, Hisense, and Omni, including 2 Series and 4 Series models that support voice control. Setting it up is incredibly easy. Just insert 2 AAA batteries, not included, and pair it with your TV. No complex programming is required. Enjoy the convenience of voice control. You can easily search for content and manage your TV's functions using its built-in voice commands. This remote is designed to last. Its durability is proven with a tested lifespan of over 100,000 clicks, ensuring long-term reliability. Crafted from brand new ABS materials, it's safe for your home. Even curious pets, like dogs, can be around it without worry. What we like. This remote offers broad compatibility across multiple Fire TV brands. Its easy setup means you're ready to go in seconds, without complex programming. If you own various Fire TV Edition smart TVs and value a straightforward, plug-and-play experience, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Alexa Voice Remote Pro. Misplaced your remote? Simply ask Alexa, "Find my remote." It will emit an audible ring, saving you from searching under cushions. Enjoy movie nights without fumbling in the dark. Its motion-activated backlight illuminates the buttons, making navigation effortless in dimly lit rooms. Tailor your experience with 2 customizable buttons. You can create shortcuts to your favorite channels, apps, or any Alexa commands for quick access. Want to watch privately? A dedicated button provides a quick shortcut to the Bluetooth menu, allowing you to pair your wireless headphones in an instant. Consolidate your controls with this single device. It manages your TV's power, volume, and even lets you surf live TV channels. Harness the power of your voice. Use it to effortlessly find shows, open applications, adjust volume, and even control compatible smart home devices. This remote works seamlessly with most Fire TV streaming media players and smart TVs with Fire TV built-in. Please check compatibility for specific older models. What we like. This premium model brings advanced features like a remote finder, so you'll never lose it again. Its motion-activated backlit buttons and customizable shortcuts enhance your viewing experience. If you frequently misplace your remote, enjoy watching in dim lighting, or want personalized quick access to your favorite content, this model is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted. Number 3. Universal Voice Remote for Fire TV and Stick Devices. This top-quality voice remote is designed to replace many originals. It works seamlessly with Insignia, Toshiba, and Pioneer smart TVs, as well as all Fire series devices. You'll find it compatible with numerous remote models. Experience the power of intelligent voice control. You can effortlessly search, play, pause, and fast-forward millions of content pieces using just your voice. This enhances your daily convenience and adds enjoyment to your entertainment. Pairing it with your device is incredibly simple. Just press and hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes. After a brief wait, it will automatically connect, ready for use. Thanks to its innovative energy-saving technology, this remote operates for extended periods. You won't need frequent battery changes, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment. It includes 4 convenient shortcuts for popular streaming channels like Prime Video, Netflix, DSP+, and Hulu. These dedicated buttons provide instant access, making your entertainment experience even easier. What we like. This remote boasts extensive compatibility, working with a wide range of Fire Stick devices and smart TVs. It features 4 convenient shortcut buttons for popular streaming services, making access instant. If you have multiple Fire Stick generations or frequently use popular streaming apps and want a remote that covers all bases with added convenience, this one is a strong contender. What people say. Number 2. Insignia Alexa Voice Remote for Fire TV Edition. Introducing the new Insignia Alexa Voice Remote. It's designed to enhance your entertainment, making control effortless and intuitive. With built-in Alexa, you can easily find content, launch apps, and control your TV using just your voice. Simply speak your commands, and it will respond. This remote is specifically engineered for Insignia and Toshiba Fire TV Edition televisions. It ensures perfect compatibility and seamless integration with your existing setup. If you need a replacement or an upgrade, this remote offers a new, improved style. It provides all the essential functions you need for your Fire TV experience. Navigate menus, adjust volume, and switch inputs with ease. Its intuitive layout puts all the controls right at your fingertips. Beyond TV control, Alexa can answer questions, check the weather, and even control smart home devices. It brings a world of information and convenience directly to your living room. What we like. This remote is a direct, upgraded replacement specifically designed for Insignia and Toshiba Fire TV Edition televisions. It seamlessly integrates voice control with Alexa, just like your original. If you own one of the many listed Insignia or Toshiba Fire TV models and are looking for an authentic, reliable replacement with full voice functionality, this is your go-to option. What people say. Number 1. Universal Smart TV Remote Replacement, Pack of 2. This universal remote is designed to replace your existing one for various smart TVs, including Samsung, Insignia, Toshiba, TCL, Vizio, Pioneer, and Roku models. It offers broad compatibility for your entertainment setup. Experience lightning-fast response times, under 0.2 seconds, ensuring seamless control. Its silicone buttons provide a soft touch, are anti-dusted, and are tested for over 150,000 clicks for long-term reliability. With powerful infrared technology, it delivers a strong signal for multi-angle induction. You can precisely control your TV from up to 32 feet away, giving you freedom and flexibility. It features a convenient historical browsing button for instant access to your past viewing. Plus, 4 dedicated shortcut buttons let you jump to your favorite applications with just one click. Forget complicated programming or pairing. It works instantly, simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. Batteries are not included. We stand by our product with premium after-sales service. If you have any questions, contact us, and we guarantee a response within 12 hours. What we like. This offering provides a convenient pack of 2 universal remotes, perfect for multiple TVs or as a backup. It offers broad compatibility across many smart TV brands and requires no programming, just insert batteries. If you need a cost-effective solution for multiple TVs, prefer a traditional infrared remote without voice control, and value simplicity, this 2-pack delivers excellent value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.